CBSE class 10 question number 2. In the given figure, this is your given figure, ABC is a triangle in a right angle at C. This is a right angle at C. ABC triangle, right angle at C, and D perpendicular BC. That is, this angle will be 90 degree. Prove that ABC and ADE similar triangle. And question number 2, find the length of AE. What is the length of AE and what is the length of DE? Find the area of triangle ABC. This is question number 4. So this is very important question. This question has come in the year CBSE 2011 and 2010. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2011-2010. Okay, very important question. So let us solve it. So first part, prove that ABC and DEF is similar triangle. Now take two triangles, ABC triangles, and take triangle ADE. In two triangles, angle A is common here for both the triangles. Therefore, angle A is equal to common for both triangles. For both triangle A is common, and E is equal to 90 degree because perpendicular, and C is equal to 90 degree. So angle E is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Since two angles are equal for two triangles AB, ADE and ACB, angle A is common, E is E90 and C90. Therefore, two triangles are similar. Triangles ABC similar triangle ADE. So first part proved. Now let us prove second part. So angle E in front of the side E, the in front of angle E is equal to AD side. In front of side C, the side is AB. Since two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of the corresponding side will be equal. Here 90 degree, E is equal to 90 degree, C is equal to 90 degree. In front of 90 degree, here its side is AD is equal to 3 cm. In front of C, here is BC. So here given here AC is equal to AD plus DC. That is, AD means 3 plus BC means 2 cm. That is 5 cm. So it is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Now applying Pythagoras theorems, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Just put the value here given. AB square is equal to 5 square plus BC square is equal to 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal to 169 centimeter square, or AB is equal to what? 13 centimeter. So this is your 13 centimeter. Okay, this is AB is equal to 13 centimeter. Now since angle E is equal to 90 degree and C is equal to 90 degree, in front of E angle is side is equal to AD. Therefore AD by in front of C angle is equal to BC, AC. AD by AC. Here angle A is common here. In front of A angle is equal to D in front of A angle, the side of the greater triangle ABC is equal to 12. So next step, AD is equal to given here 3, AC AD is equal to 3, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and DE we have to find out DE, and this is 12, or D is equal to 36 by 5 centimeter. Now again applying this angle must be equal to this angle, because two triangles are similar, ADE similar ACB. Therefore in front of this angle, D angle, side is AE, therefore AE by in front of this angle is equal to AC is equal to in front of C angle is equal to 13, in front of A angle is equal to D in front of A angle is equal to BC, or put the AE, you have to find out AE by AC is given here 5 is equal to D is equal to 36 by 5, and BC is equal to 12, or AE angle ABC, the side is AC is equal to AE already done, is equal to, this is a 90 degree angle, in front of 90 degree AD by, this is a 90 degree angle for the triangle ABC, in front of this angle the side is AB. Okay, now just put the value. AE is equal to, you have to find out what is the value of AE, and AC is equal to 5, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, is equal to AD is equal to given here 3, and here AB is equal to 13, okay. So AE is equal to 15 by 30. This is your answer. A is equal to 15 by 13. This is your answer. So very important question. So you have to first prove ADE and ABC are similar triangle. Then this is a 90 degree angle already given, EA is equal to 90 degree, C is equal to 90 degree. Then in front of E, what is the side? AD. In front of C, what is the side? AB. Because this triangle is equal to this angle. In front of this side by in front of this side will be equal to this. Suppose this is star. B angle is equal to B angle. In front of this side AE by in front of this start side means AB. Here start side means AE. AE by start side AC. So very important. Let us solve next question.